Hi, I'm Michael Newrock, and this is a swing within a trend conservative sell trade example. We're on the 1 hour time frame, and we've got two examples here. I want to go over this one, it's the most clearest. So I'll just put my markers on the chart. Okay, so this is the signal bar that created a signal. Of course, Trend Profiteer displays it on the opening of the following bar. So, first of all, we need to have an overall trend direction of down, which it is in this case. 4 out of the 6 high time frame indicators are pointing down, and that's what you need, at least 4 or more to have an overall trend direction of down. The trend follower must be red, the yellow moving average must be below the gray moving average, the price must be below the yellow moving average, the RSI must be below the 50 line. There must be at least 2 consecutive green histogram bars below the zero line, followed by a red histogram bar that's below the zero line and below the signal line. And that's all we need to validate for a swing within a trend trade conservative sell. So let's have a look at our stop. Our stop be around 22, 23 pips to the gray moving average. But let's say we placed it a little bit above, which is what I always suggest. 30 pips, say above, well, the entry price. And that would give us a total of 150 pips, actually higher than that, just a bit more, 157. But 150 pips gives us a 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So first of all, we would hit our first target here at 30 pips, giving us a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. 60 pips here would give us a 2-to-1. 90 pips here would give us a 3-to-1. 120 pips would give us a 4-to-1. And then, of course, 150 pips would give us a 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio. For the 30 pips we risked, in this case, we generated a potential maximum of around 150 pips, giving us a 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Now, this is another conservative swing within a trend trade sell. It's not quite as clear, but if you hover over the MACD here, you'll see that it is technically below the signal line, which is what we need to see for a conservative swing within a trend trade. So that concludes this example of a swing within a trend trade conservative sell on the 1 hour time frame. Till next time, good trading, live well, and I'll see you soon.